I'll video though.
I like it. Little pole.
Oh, it's a
He's
drum.
a nice one. He's a nice one, Walter. Get in that, man.
Oh my gosh! You just broke your pole! We'll have to bleep that out.
Brand new shit from Cabela.
Are you gonna be able to get him in?
I've seen it all now. We've had all kinds of things happen. This is gonna be amazing.
Can you get him?
Oh! It's a nice one if you get him to the wind.
Going right to Cabela's, I'm cussing him back.
Ah, I missed it.
The pole's broke.
Oh!
Son of a bitch.
You need to get a picture of him, but that's a nice, that's a nice, look at that. That's a nice fish though.
Was it worth it?